What's up? It is me, Dotty Berry, and today I'm very excited because I get to review Miley Cyrus's brand new music video called Malibu. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, she's looking normal. Okay, Miley. Okay, so she's naked. This is like Adam and Eve. She's like Eve. She's wearing like a seashell or something like that. Okay, looking lovely. Oh, you're free. You know what Miley looks like? You remember Rocket Power? Okay, so now she's, okay, you're touching yourself. Okay, here you are. Itty bitty, beautiful, same way. Okay. I have no idea what the song is saying. Oh, look at that dance. Okay, you're wearing a panty. That look like one of the $20 panties. The $20 panties. Okay, this is kind of weird. So now, okay. So basically, she's back to Hannah Montana. Miley Cyrus is officially back to Hannah Montana. Or was it Hannah Montana? Hannah Montana. You get the best of both worlds. You might not know when you head in the show. You get the best. Yeah, that is what she's back to. Look at that. Look at that. Bear the big blues looking. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know what I'm saying. This is kind of creepy, you know. This is like a long commercial for L'Oreal, cover girl, Neutrogena, Proactive. This is. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at her face. Look at the teeth. Look at the eyebrows. Oh, look at that. Miley Cyrus is normal. She's back to Hannah Montana. I'm getting a little bit emotional. Here you are, Miley, here you are. Yes, Miley, the skies. Oh wow. Don't jump, don't jump. No, this looks like some tissue. You know, badminton. Ah, no, Miley look like a tissue. No, this sounds like some obio. Like some chant, some evil spirit chant. What's the name? Hail Mary. Okay, so this is it. This is it. The video and okay, so the video is still going on. Wow. Okay, it's almost finished. Yeah? No, catch that walk. Yes. You're just gonna lay in the grass as if it's a pillow. Okay. Oh, nice neighboring. Okay. Well, I guess that is it for Miley Cyrus's Malibu. The song was pretty cool. It's definitely a far cry away from the wrecking ball and all of that with the foam finger and the tongue and everything. But this is nice. This is mellow. I kind of prefer Turn Up Miley, you know, hip hop Miley. But this is nice. And she, well, not this. This is Cardi B, but yeah. So let me know, YouTube, what did you think about Miley Cyrus's Malibu video? Do you think it was good? Do you think that it is bad? Do you like this new look for her, this new sound? Or do you prefer the old hip-hopping, tongue-swinging, foam finger, middle finger, throwing Miley? Comment below. My name is Dutty Berry, and yeah, I don't know what I was going to say. Just peace out.